Hello, welcome back in the another video. So from today, our journey will be starting with a TypeScript, and from today onwards, the I tried to create daily videos based on whatever I am learning. So for just starting with TypeScript today, and we are going from basic and what is interface. We cover basic and what is exactly interface in TypeScript, and in tomorrow's video, upcoming videos, we going deeply what is type and little bit advanced concept in TypeScript. So let's starting the video. So here I am inside one TypeScript folder. In that basic, I cover not cover basic and interface folder is there. So I need to go inside video folder. So in video folder right now, this folder is empty. So for we need one package.json and one ts config dot typescript file. So for that, I need we run one command. So that command name is npm init init dash y. So this command is used for creating one package.json file for you. So in that, the what exactly inside that, the name of the folder, version, and main index.js and script, author, license, something, and description is none. So this is overall package.json file, and I need one another file for TypeScript. So I need npx init, uh, not init, firstly nps tsc dash dash something init I need for creating TypeScript. Yeah. So ts config JSON. So this is a compiler options, and our target right now is ES 2016 means ICMA script. This is version. We discuss little bit more in upcoming videos about this overall structure of TS config file. So for that, I create one index.ts file here. So basically, we starting from scratch. So why TypeScript is introduced? So for that, here is one PDF is here. So step one, types of language. So there are two types of language: strongly type and loosely type. So JavaScript is a loosely type of language, and in a strongly type language, C, C++, Java, Rust are very strongly type languages are there, and in loosely type language are Python, JavaScript, PHP. So what exactly happen in strongly type language? I write some C++ code. So hash include iostream, and hash include iostream, and using namespace using namespace std. So this is little bit syntax and hint main and return something, return 0. So how we can run this cpp file? So we need to convert that cpp file into zeros and one binary. For that we use g++ command. You already know, we use g++ and a dot out slash a dot o something, something that I am not remember exactly. But we need do something that compilation that time. And after that we, when we compile that file, this file not directly run. uh, Firstly it compiles, and when it compiles, compiler will check all code from top to bottom, it's correct or not. If compilation is done, then that a dot output file is running. So when we run that file, then we get directly output what exactly we want. But in loosely typed language, what exactly done when we there is no compiler in JavaScript, directly our file will executed, and whatever error is there, then that error will be handled at runtime. So it's very difficult to manage. For that we need little bit strict language and type. For that we use TypeScript. So benefits of using a strong type language is less runtime error, strict code base, and easy to catch error at compile time. Means when I'm creating, for example, one application, and when I use Java and Rust for backend, then my backend will never crash because uh, firstly I compile my code. That time, if I am facing any error, then it is not possible for me to deploy that application. But in JavaScript, when we use JavaScript and build application, that time sometimes our backend will be crash. So for avoiding that error and uh, crashing concept, we used one typed language, and that will is Java TypeScript. So benefits of using loose couple language is easy to write code fast and bootstrap, low learning curve need for loose couple language, and this code has include iStream into main into number is 10, and number we are trying to converting this number into text or string. So it gives an compile time error, because here we are assigning number as a integer 10, but we converting this number into string. So it's not possible in a strong typed language, but in loose type language, this code, you can see this is JavaScript code, and it's possible in JavaScript. And so people raised that uh, JavaScript is very powerful language but lacks of types. So very powerful language JavaScript, but we don't mention type here. You can see number I am assigning, so here is int, so integer is type. But here late I am using, so late is not a data type something, late is a one variable. So for avoiding that and giving type, in our JavaScript code we use TypeScript. So TypeScript was introduced as a new language to added type on the top of JavaScript. So what exactly TypeScript? So TypeScript is programming language developed and maintained by Microsoft. It is a strict syntactical superset of JavaScript. So you can read whatever inside this. So basically, there are couples of JavaScript compiler is there. So right now I am using TSC compiler, and what exactly do I will explain at the time of coding. So let's begin coding for better understanding. So I am writing one. Uh, I need to write. Okay, let a is equal to 10. Okay, it's fine. I know the value of a right now is a integer, but in TypeScript we define here the type is a number, and when I am trying to convert this value of a into a string, it gives me an error message. You can see some writing, and you can see the type string is not assignable to type number because I assign here as a number with a 10, but I am trying to convert this whole into string, but it is not possible due to I am strictly give type is number here. So it possible in JavaScript, but right now I am assigning the type of the variable is number. So due to that, it's not able to changing. So how I can run this code in TypeScript? So let me console.log first and a. So for compiling or running the Java TypeScript code, we need to convert that .ts file into .js. So convert this TypeScript file into JavaScript. For that we use npx TSC. So TSC is nothing but one compiler. So this compile convert your TypeScript file into JavaScript, and you can see here uh, takes a couple of seconds, and after that you can see the index.js file is here and use strict here, and when that file is ready, then using your node.js, uh, run this javascript file. So as expected the output is the 10. So what we learn in this video right now, for creating, we never run your TypeScript file directly. For running your TypeScript file, we need to convert that TypeScript file into JavaScript using nps, and tsc is our compiler. Right now I am using and dash b for building that file. So convert this TypeScript file into JavaScript, and using node, I am running my JavaScript file, and I get the final output. So when I do changes in my TypeScript, then I need to I need to recreate or rebuild this index.js file. So I am creating some functions here. So functions, the function is sum. In that he take two value, num1 num2, and return the sum of these two number. So number one, and I take number two, and it return uh, number one plus number two. So for that, why he gives error? So basically, check the message parameter num1 implicitly has any type. So implicitly means we never assign any type for this num1 and num2. For that, and one concept in TypeScript, we always avoiding to use the type of any. And for that, I am writing here as a number, and give here also number. So it's fine right now, the error is gone, and I am calling this sum function right now, and I pass 1 and 2 inside that, and let me store this answer in one variable, and need to call this variable again. So okay, I am calling this variable again, and firstly I need to compile using this npx tsc. This is my compiler and building the index.js file. So it's building the file, and you can see the changes whatever I will do. I need to run index.js file, and you can see the output is 3. It's the sum 1 and 2, it's printed and give me expected output as a 3. So I am forgetting to writing here as a, I am forgetting to give type here, and we build that file, JS file. Let me check what exactly here. So it gives error num1 explicitly has any type. So we always try to avoid use any in our program. So try to implicitly assigning or giving the data type of here. So I will assign, and it's running as expected right now, you can see. So building this file, and the error is gone, running successfully, and node index.js and output is same. So this is used for assigning the types of your variable. So this is very easy for handling. If in previous you can see when I receive any bug, that time our program will never create this index.js file, because we are right now in the compile time error. So this whole concept in TypeScript, and it's very easy. I am right now, I create one function, and that function is okay. So it's enough about basics. So right now we are talking about what exactly interface. So interface is nothing but one object. So interface is nothing but object. But why we use interface? Interface is one object, but that object is very complex. So interface, uh, so interface is nothing but one complex object, and we assign the type to that object is nothing but interface. So basically right now I am creating one object. The object name is user, and in that I am passing name, and so age is 21 right now I'm passing, and also passing address. Right now I'm creating simple interface. Just need one yeah, salary is about um, salary you can say 10 lakh is so this is one user and this is an object. So whenever I pass this object in another function, so for that passing I will give the name and I pass this object. So he gives me one error message. You can see user is declared but its value is never used, and parameter user explicitly has any type. So explicitly it by default use any type. So at the passing we need to pass this everything like this or that. So right now the name is in string format, okay, and name is string, age age is number, and salary is also string. So this is user and we pass everything for that user. In the object we assigning the type name, and here we console dot log the hello and user dot name, okay. So I am taking user dot name from above. So it's possible. Let me check this program runs as expected or not, but I just created the function, but I'm forgotten to calling that function. So passing, and I need to pass this user, and okay. So when I am passing that user, so argument type name string age salary is not assignable to parameter of type name string. So type of property name is incompatible. Okay, here user dot name is string, so it's not able to access. So for that, doing that ugly stuff, I just assign or create one interface. So what interface is? It's the type of one complex object. So this is your user and this is object, and you consider this object right now is complex, and I need to write here. So this interface is user, name is a string, taking age as a number, salary is also signing in string, and pass this into this user as well as this user, and okay, this user and this user, it's fine. Okay, it's fine. And the one error is happening here right now. User.name, user.name, user.name is string. Okay, and user here, I'm passing the late user is string number and salary. Small user name string salary. Okay, here I need to pass this user as an interface, and it will gives an error message showing is not assignable to string. Why? Because let me check. I do something maybe mistakes here. Yeah. Sorry, this is not in colon actually. When we gives everything in double colon is considered as a string. So right now it's clear, and right now I am deleting this file and running my command for npx for building ts file. Use tsc compiler dash b. So building this file, and it build the ts file successfully, and you can see everything here is same, but the interface I am creating here is not here because I am assigning the type for every variable, and this is not come inside the javascript file. And right now I am running this file. Let me check the okay, and he returns hello. So this is overall the use of that interface. So basically I need to create one complex object. So in that complex, okay, so address I am passing country is India, and then state. In state I am from Maharashtra, and then one taking pin code something and writing some random pin code here. So why he gives error? So object literal may have specified known properties as a it does not exist in user. So this basically creating interface, and this interface does not having address. So due to that it gives me an error message. So let me write address. My address is a string. As a country, as a state, for state it's small, everything is small. For state is also present in a string format, and pin code is present in number. Okay, so it's fine right now. And here maybe I do some mistake spelling. Due to that, it gives me an error. Yeah, okay. So I am assigning everything, and let me pass some condition here, or running this code exactly and trying to get some name of user as well as user dot country. I need to find the country of this user. So directly not able to find that country, need to go inside that address, and inside that address country is there. Okay, so that's it. Let me check it gives me as expected output or not. So firstly need to build that JS file, and after that run that file hello sohom in India. He gives me output as I am expected, so it's fine. So this is user 1, and suppose I am creating user 2, and user 2 contain only name something, and age it's also containing. Okay, and salary, he also assigning some salary. Okay, something like that, but I'm forgetting to write address, and I never pass address here. So what exactly he will do? From user actually. Okay, so he gives me an error message because property address is missing. Because in you can see my interface, I am creating name, string, number, age, and salary. I am assigning, but here I am address. I am not assigning address, and it's mandatory for me. So if I don't wanted to assign everything, and I wanted to skip this address right now, so I just need to write question mark and colon. Using that, he will able to skip everything, and you can see. Okay, here he will show error because I am skipping this right now. So need to remove, and running code again and checking output as expected or not, and building the ts file and hello so use give me. So using interface, using this uh, question mark and colon, we are able to skip address from here. So for skipping any value, we just need to use question mark and colon. So using that, we are able to skip everything. And suppose I am using another interface. So interface office you are consider. Uh, in that interface office, I need to take address, and that address is same present. Okay, here something you can see. So the address will containing some string value, state, and period code number. So in good coding, which type of concept we are learning means we never try to repeat ourselves. So which type of mistake I will done here? I will repeat this code, and this entire code base same. So rather doing that, I need to create one interface, and the interface name is address, and in that address I just pass this whatever he want. I need to pass, and simply remove this and use this address. Interface address is here, and okay, address is missing. Need to remove this user too, and it's run perfectly because here we are not getting any error message, so it's run very well right now. And when I think I after a couple of time later I just need, I think I add one another parameter inside my address, and just the city, and the user belongs to which city. So rather than adding that address for two type here, I need to just type in one place, and he will directly able to address take from two place. So yeah, it's a very easy concept. I need to just run again, and show why, and it's give me definitely the expected output or not. And okay, he give me couples of error message. City is missing in type, country, string, pin number. Okay, city. I am writing here. Put in user something here. I am forgotten the city. For that, he will give me message, error message. And right now I am recompiling this code above code base again, and it's get executed successfully, and see hello som is there. So yeah, that's enough for today. Hope this video is helpful. If not understand, then comment, and give me suggestions where needed I need to improve myself. And it is a very easy concept. And if you don't understand, then give me suggestions where I need to improve myself. I try to definitely do from tomorrow onwards video. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the tomorrow's videos. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.